Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Optimizer, and today we are going to discuss about facade pattern. So it is again a structure design pattern. So what it does is basically provide an interface to basically many complex objects. What do I mean by that? So suppose so whenever you are using an e-commerce app, so there would be many steps involved, right? Whenever you place an order. So basically, so for a client, you just place an order, okay? Now there is this black box for client, and then at the end, just receive your order and order summary. Basically, order summary you receive, and there is a bill generation, bill PDF. I'll say you'll get. So what happened in between, like order processing, shipment, discount, then inventory check. So these are the few parts of it that happens. There could be multiple other things also. So but for client it's just a black box. Okay, now this is called basically facade pattern. I think you will use it well, this is very common, it's used as everywhere. So what happen is basically we hide, so if you know the basic idea of abstraction, we basically information hide information. So this is the main idea of facade pattern also. It is nothing, just an abstraction. Okay. Now so we'll see the same through a code example. Okay. So suppose like here we have uh, inventory service, now order service, payment service, shipment service. Okay. Now this is a facade we have created. Now what it is doing, we'll just click on place order. It just provide all this information in the backend. Like first of all it will create order, then update inventory, then process payment, then calculate shipment cost, ship order. All those things will be done by this. So but for our what we are doing, just clicking on this, we are just calling this function. That's all we are doing for client, from client perspective. So that is the main idea. Like we basically abstract out these information. So if I'll just run this. So yes, these are the multiple step involved when basically we place order. So if we just see the structure, it's like this only client. Then it is just calling a single function of it. In between, what it is doing in the subclasses that is hidden, and basically the last product is shown to the client. So I think that's the main idea of facade pattern. Let me know if you still have any doubt, and you can comment on the comment section. Till then, thanks everyone for joining. Please like, share, subscribe.